Hello, my name is Daniel Chabelle at Shaler Subaru. I'm a sales consultant. I'm going to be sharing with you how to activate your valet mode. In order to access the valet mode, you're going to have to go into the settings button on the informational screen in front. Now that we're in the settings, you're going to look for the general tab on the top. Now that we've pressed the general button, we're going to find the valet mode on this informational screen. Now, if you haven't already set a passcode, it's going to make you set one. For this example, I've already set a passcode. Now that I've put in the 4-digit PIN, you just press OK. And now you can see on the top, the vehicle is in valet mode, not allowing the vehicle to exceed 25 miles an hour. In order to turn off valet mode, you're going to have to access it and go in and enter your PIN again. There you go. The vehicle has turned off valet mode, allowing it to exceed 25 miles an hour.